If you have family in the immediate path of Barrie, you have likely called to check on them by now. One of our KCTV5 video editors has a brother living in New Orleans. Grady Creek is from Prairie Village and works at a hospital. We talked with him earlier this evening. He tells us he's dealing with flooding in his home, but is getting by okay.
We bought this house 2 years ago. It flooded during Katrina. It was one of the parts of the city that got a fair amount of water, and it hadn't flooded since then. So when we bought it, I was kind of hopeful that it wouldn't be a problem, but it's been a major problem.
And take a look at these images he sent from the heavy rain at his home on Wednesday. You can see he's going to be busy cleaning up following all that flooding.